If you're choosing between Wispr Flow and Superwhisper, this isn't just voice-to-text versus voice-to-text. It's AI productivity assistant versus fast local transcription. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Wispr Flow is designed to feel like a full AI writing assistant powered by your voice. It doesn't just transcribe. It rewrites, formats, and intelligently cleans up what you say in real time. That makes it incredibly good for emails, documents, brainstorming, and everyday productivity. But here's the catch. Because it relies heavily on cloud AI processing, some users feel it's less predictable and more dependent on internet connectivity. Superwhisper takes the opposite approach. It focuses on ultra-fast local transcription, using Whisper models directly on your device. That means lower latency, better privacy, and no cloud dependency for many workflows. It's especially popular among developers, writers, and power users who want accurate dictation without sending data externally. The downside is that it's more raw transcription focused. Compared to Wispr Flow, it has fewer AI-assisted rewriting and formatting features. So the real difference is this. Wispr Flow helps you turn speech into polished writing, while Superwhisper helps you turn speech into text as quickly and privately as possible. So, which one is better for voice-to-text? Choose Wispr Flow if you want AI-enhanced writing, formatting, and productivity workflows. Choose Superwhisper if you want fast, privacy-focused local transcription with minimal latency. Bottom line, Wispr Flow is a better overall productivity tool because it goes beyond transcription into AI-assisted writing. But if your priority is pure speed, privacy, and accurate local voice typing, Superwhisper is often the stronger choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.